Hello, another day, another vlog. It is 4:30 in the afternoon. Ngayon ako lumabas kasi wala, tinatamad ako. Wala na akong gagawin ngayong araw. Pero tomorrow I'll try to be productive. So for today, it's a Friday. So we will just try to explore Nevsky Prospect. It is one of the busiest, one of the popular streets here in St. Petersburg. So there's a lot of bars, restaurants, coffee shops. So yeah, and of course live performers. So that is the plan for today, just to walk along the Nevsky Prospect and probably have a dinner there later. Look, this is my neighborhood. Very nice, no? Reminds me of Armenia, actually. But Armenia, mostly it's like rose pink building. Very Soviet, no? Agree? Comment down below if you agree. Si ate, oh. So maybe I'll try to find a coffee first. Medyo gloomy ngayon. And I have a feeling na uulan. Alam mo naman, pag sa mga ganitong lugar, pag gloomy, uulan yan. Hindi katulad sa Qatar or sa GCC na gloomy nga pero joke lang. But anyway, dalaman natin yung payong from Temu. Kaya okay lang yun. The reason why I'm wearing a hoodie, because it gets cold in the evening. This is Nevsky Prospect or Nevsky Avenue. So busy siya because magka-5 na. Siguro labasan ng mga tao. And I want to drink coffee. Daming mga may nakita na akong Korean restaurant. May nakita na akong Chinese restaurant, shawarmahan. I just want to see street performers. Grabe, oh, for sure ulan na ang gloomy. I need coffee. Saan pwede magkape? Dito na tayo sa mga canals. Ganda, no? Maghanap talaga ako ng kape na. Seryoso na ito. Bawal tumawid. Nakamamatay. Very sila, obedient. I got already my coffee fix. I ordered iced latte and croissant. Croissant. Here. Look, Russian car, oh. Soviet style na car. So ayun, daan na tayo magkape, daan na rin tayo mag-CR, tuloy ang ligaya sa Nevsky Prospect. What's the temperature today?
The high temperature today will be 21 degrees Celsius and the low will be 13 degrees Celsius.
Oh, di ba? 13 degrees mamayang gabi. Babae ka, lalaki? Lalaki. Oh, lamig. Amelie. Amelie. Cinema siguro. Cinema. Let's go. Let's explore. Cinema nila, oh. Amelie. Panood yan. French yan. Oh, di ba? Ito yung theater nila. Cinema. Oh, di ba? Galing. Oh, ha? Ganda, oh. Ano kaya to? Okay sa loob? Di ba? Ano yan? Parang lucky something. Itsa mo yung ano doon, coin sa pusa. May, kita ko sa inyo. Isa nila doon sa may pusa. Yun. Siguro pag na-shoot mo, lucky ka. No? Eh, kung hindi coins yung ibato ko. Bill. Ha? Rustics. This is their KFC. No? Because of the sanctions. So wala nang KFC dito. Rustics na siya. It's like a Starbucks. Like a Star's Cafe. Mga bata, oh, may field trip. Cute. Oh, it's a nice, no? Nice courtyard. Meron sila mga shops sa ilalim ng tulay. Ingat pag ganitong mga lugar. Mag-ingat sa pickpocketers. Naulan na. Hanap tayo ng masisilungan dahil basang-basa na sa ulan. Eto ako, basang-basa sa ulan. Ayun, bumigay na, naulan na nga. Dito lang, nakasukob. Tayo na, sabay tayo, sabay tayo sa ayong ko. Ha? Tayo na, sukob na. Walk along with me. There's a bookshop here and some fancy restaurant over there. And there's someone singing. And I think that is the Kazan church we went to yesterday. Wala ditong ano, bulaluhan. Kambingan, bulaluhan, maulan, malamig, kailangan ng soup. Soup? Ha? Soup? Ito yung fancy restaurant. Oh. Di ba? No, di ba? Ang ganda ng waitress, oh. Dito parang book sale. Bulaklakin. Alright, and that is the Kazan Cathedral that we went to yesterday. So kanina doon tayo that side tayo naglalakad. Ngayon this side naman. This is part of Nevsky Prospect. Still searching for a restaurant. May nanap na ako actually kanina, kaso ang haba ng pila. Local siya, parang karinderya. Doon ako nag-CR kanina. So the search is on for a restaurant for tonight. we're still looking for the restaurant. Actually, hindi pa rin ako gutom. I just want to sit down kasi maglalakad naman tayo pabalik. Alam mo dito kasi akala mo hapon na I mean like paggabi na kasi nga ang sunset is like 9:15 in the evening. So akala mo parang maaga pa. Once na dumilim na, 10 o'clock na. So parang alanganin na lumabas. Kasi nga mahaba ang araw dito. Puro kapihan. Walang mga restaurants. Actually meron naman. Hindi lang natin alam. Hindi natin alam paano mag-order. Di ba kilala sa mga courtyard? Tingnan mo to. Ganda, no? Oh, di ba? Ganda, no? Pwede kang umupo dyan. Dito sa parang kalenderya nila. Bahala na. So parang karinderya lang. No? I got soup. This one. Yes. No. Yes. No. This one. No. This one. Yes.
1, 2.
One.
Рис и рыбу, пожалуйста.
So, drinks, kape, mga juice. Yung mga juice nila, kapila pa rin. Ganda ng concept, no? So, meron silang mixed fruit, I think. Lemon, grapefruit. Daming tao. Tapos, diyan ka na magbabayad sa kanya. So, one. Spasiba. Ganun. Dapat magalang. Dito tayo. Para solo natin. So, yung in-order ko is buckwheat. I think this is chicken cutlet, borscht, Russian soup, orange juice, and water. Kain. Rating soup. Okay. Tap. Borscht, no? Wala na silang tinidor. This is chicken cutlet nga. Natin. Hot. How much I paid? 400? 400 rubles. Diba? Mura na. Maybe 400 rubles now. So I had my dinner here. Stolovaya number 1. Yeah, time now is 7:47 in the evening. That is the Kazan Cathedral. Ganda, no? Si ate, tingnan mo. Ate, ano? Oh. Sige pa. Ang ganda, no? Yung structure, in color. Very charming. Very charming city of St. Petersburg. Diba? Uwian na. Time check is 8:48 in the evening. And yeah, I'm almost home. I'm in my neighborhood already. I'm not sure if you can hear me because I'm not using mic. Beautiful, no? Peaceful street. No? Clean pa. What more you could ask for? Let's move in here, ha? Pataka lang ka. Look, doggy, oh. That's it for today's video. Tomorrow we'll try to get to Winter Palace, and then I book a river cruise, so medyo busy tayo tomorrow. That's it for today. That's all, folks, and I hope you enjoy walking with me along Nevsky Prospect. Grabe, 4 hours din tayo naglakad, ha. Medyo nakapagod na, but it's okay. I'm almost home. Home is where the heart is, no? Peaceful neighborhood lang, ano. I haven't tried this coffee shop yet. I prefer the what do you call this? Surf coffee, which is over there. Babushka. Babushka is old lady, I think, in Russian language. It means old lady. If I'm not mistaken, comment down below kung bida-bida ka, if you want to correct me. Also coffee shop here. There used to be an artist who lives here in this building, maybe. Diyan, oh. Yeah, may nakalagay. Yeah. I'll translate later sa post. That's it. That's my room, and I'll see you tomorrow for another adventure here in St. Petersburg. Ciao!